let's take a closer look at this PowerXL Air Fryer that can roast and bake and broil, and it can even be used as a food dehydrator. Now it has 6 presets that all you have to do is touch it once and it gives you the temperature and the time. There's one for French fries and fish and cakes and steaks and chicken and shrimp. And here is where you can preheat. Now there is a tray on the inside and it's very easy to take out and clean. Let me show you. It is non-stick and it easily pulls out and puts right back in place. And this is where you would put your food for your air fryer. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to make some chicken wings right now. I've placed about 5 chicken wings in the inside and I'm just going to close it up. I'm going to start the temperature and I always put it at 400. And I put them on for about 16 minutes and then you just press the start button and they will start to cook. And I usually turn them halfway in between so it gets crispy on both sides. Let's see our finished product. And here are some chicken wings I just cooked in the air fryer. I put it at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, and they sure do look nice and crispy. I highly recommend this air fryer.